Hey friends! Today I'm going to show you how to create your first Compute Engine instance on GCP. If you're new here, my name is Peter. I'm cloud architect based in Denmark. We are going to create your first Compute Engine instance on GCP that will allow to run you any of your applications in public cloud. First, we want to navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Then we start by creating a new project. Click on the current project ID and then click on the new project. Pick a unique project name and choose one of the billing accounts. Press create and wait for the project to be ready. Press select project button to activate it. Verify the current active project in the top left corner. Press menu and select Compute Engine. After creating the project, we first need to enable the Compute Engine API. Press create instance. Pick the instance name. Here we have multiple machine regions and zones available, which basically affects where the instance is physically located. We also have many machine series and machine types to choose from. Let's just use one of the smaller ones for the demonstration. Then we have a couple other options like CPU, platform and GPU, or we can decide if we want to use display device or confidential service. And lastly, we have one important setting called boot disk, which basically decides what kind of operating system we want to run. We have a couple options for the operating system available. We have Debian, Ubuntu, or we have Windows Server as well. Here, we can also change the disk size, which affects how much space we will have available to our applications. Then we also have some more advanced options available. In the networking, we can set to which virtual network the instance will be attached to. And here we can see that we are using the default network with the default subnet that were created together with the project. We also have some other options available. For example, for the primary internal IP, we can decide if we want to use static or ephemeral IP addresses. For the external IP, we can either decide to not have any at all, or we can use one of the ephemeral IP addresses. For the network service tier, we can either choose Premium or Standard. Premium uses Google Network, while the Standard utilizes Internet connection. There are also some other, more advanced options available that you can find explanation for in the documentation. To finish creating the instance, press Create. Now we just need to wait a couple seconds for instance to get created, and then we can see internal and external IP addresses. Once the instance is ready, we can press the SSH button to connect to the instance. When we are connected to the instance over SSH, we have full access to the instance and we can install any applications that we want. If you like this video about setting up your first Compute Engine instance on GCP and want to learn more about how cloud can transform your applications, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you later.